Hello everyone. Have you ever faced a frustrating error message while trying to debug your code? Today, we're tackling that common unable to start debugging error, specifically when GDB throws unexpected GDB output from command execrun. Unable to fire at you. It can be a real headache, stopping you dead in your tracks. We'll explore common causes and practical solutions to get you back to debugging in no time. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the basics. This error usually means GDB, the GNU Debugger, is having trouble starting your program. It often occurs when GDB can't find the executable file or encounters issues setting up the debugging environment. A common culprit is a simple typo. Double-check the path to your executable in your launch configuration file. Is it spelled correctly? Is the file actually located where you think it is? Another frequent cause is a build issue. Make sure your project is compiled successfully before attempting to debug. A failed compilation can leave behind an incomplete executable that GDB can't run. Clean and rebuild your project to ensure everything is up to date. Sometimes, the debugger configuration itself is the problem. Open your launch.json file or equivalent in your IDE and verify that all settings are correct. Pay close attention to the program path, arguments, and environment variables. An incorrect configuration can prevent GDB from launching correctly. Permissions can also be an issue, especially on Linux or Mac OS. Ensure you have execute permissions on the executable file. You can use the chmod +x executable_name command in your terminal to grant execute permissions. Consider firewall or antivirus interference. Occasionally, security software might block GDB from accessing your executable. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus to see if it resolves the problem. If it does, you'll need to configure your security software to allow GDB access. In some cases, the issue stems from an outdated or corrupted GDB installation. Try updating GDB to the latest version or reinstalling it altogether. This can fix underlying bugs or inconsistencies that are causing the error. If you're using a specific IDE, such as VS Code, ensure all relevant extensions are up to date. Outdated extensions can sometimes conflict with the debugger. Finally, complex projects may have custom build processes that interfere with GDB. Check your build scripts or makefiles for any unusual steps that might be preventing GDB from launching the program. Try simplifying your build process temporarily to isolate the issue. By systematically checking these potential causes, you'll likely find the root of the problem and get your debugging environment up and running smoothly. Remember to double-check paths, rebuild your project, verify configurations, adjust permissions, consider security software, update GDB, and review your build process. That's it for today's debugging tip. I hope this helped you troubleshoot that frustrating error. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Your support helps me create more content like this. Thanks for watching.